In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings, then scroll down and head over to the option screen time. Now head over to the option content and privacy restriction. Now navigate to the option allowed apps and features. From here, make sure you have enabled for the option Safari. Now you can head back. Go to the main page of settings and search for Safari. Once it appears, launch it. Now scroll down, click on the option Clear History and Website Data. Check in for the option All History, toggle on for Close All Tabs and click on Clear History. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Advanced, then select Experimental Features. At the bottom of the page tap, reset all defaults. This restores Safari experimental settings to their original configuration, which may help if a modified feature is causing unexpected behavior. After completing these steps, restart your iPhone and try installing the app again. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.